How to turn one product photo into 50 viral ads. Instead of running a $10,000 plus photo shoot, brands can generate endless marketing visuals in minutes with free pick spaces. Brands can instantly generate lifestyle product photography, ad creative concepts, social media visuals, product launch campaigns, packaging mockups, cinematic ad visuals, and so much more. All with one product photo and a simple prompt. One workflow, infinite creative testing. You simply upload your product image, your brand assets. The AI assistant will generate custom image prompts based on your needs. You set the total images or videos to generate, and the AI models will generate the content instantly. You simply export the visuals for your ads, socials, and e-commerce. Here are my favorite viral AI ad ideas for e-commerce brands. First, your product in a dream location. Scale globally instantly. You can generate product photo shoots anywhere. Don't spend $50,000 bringing your crew abroad. You can use these AI workflows to instantly create these photos and videos in Tokyo, on a mountain, on a beach, and locations like Paris that would be impossible to get permits for. Next, luxury upgrade. Turn a simple product into a luxury cinematic commercial. For example, a prebiotic soda. We can use crystal glasses, marble counters, and perfect studio lighting, all via a simple AI prompt. Same product, $50,000 commercial, zero camera. Next, impossible product shoots. Create highly shareable, impossible visuals, such as cereal floating in a milk galaxy, an energy drink erupting like lava in a volcano, a skincare bottle emerging from ice caves. If you can dream it, AI can create it. Next, seasonal campaign generator. You can create instant seasonal campaigns, whether that's Halloween, Christmas, summer, back to school, or viral ideas combining them all. Brands constantly need these, and to avoid ad fatigue, AI can produce these at scale in minutes. Next, AI time machine. You can time travel or transform your commercial concept into any universe. Whether it's a retro 80s ad, an anime ad, luxury fashion ad, a Pixar-style animation, a futuristic cyberpunk ad. The ideas are endless. So this is the end of your $10,000 photo shoots and video commercial productions. We are currently building custom AI content workflows for CPG and e-commerce brands. If you'd like to see how this works for your brand, I'll build you a free workflow template in free pick spaces. No obligation, just submit your brand details on the page below.